If you want to install Firefox on your computer, this video will walk you through the whole process, step by step, and it only takes a few minutes. Firefox is a fast, secure, and reliable browser, and installing it on Windows 11 is simple once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. You can launch it from the taskbar, from the Start menu, or by using Windows Search. Edge is the easiest way to download Firefox if you do not already have another browser installed. Once Microsoft Edge is open, click in the address bar at the top and go to the official Mozilla Firefox website. It is always best to download software from the official source so you know you are getting the latest safe version. After the page loads, look for the Download Now button on the Firefox website. Click Download Now to start downloading the Firefox installer to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. While the file is downloading, you can keep an eye on the download progress in the browser. When the download is finished, open the Firefox installer. You can usually do this from the download bar, in Edge, or by opening your Downloads folder and double-clicking the file there. This will start the setup process. If Windows shows a user account control prompt asking for permission, click Yes to allow the installation. This is normal, and it helps Windows make sure you are approving software changes on your device. After that, Firefox will begin installing automatically. At this point, all you need to do is wait while the installer finishes setting everything up in the background. Depending on your system, this should only take a short time. Once the installation is complete, Firefox will usually open automatically. That means the browser is now installed and ready to use. You can sign in, customize your settings, or simply start browsing right away. And that's it. You have successfully installed Firefox on your computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.